Hello, I am Cesar Gomez, this is Colisión. It's 10 minutes after the game of majorities, where players are going to try to take control over these tiles with his cubes. The game is played in alternated turns. In his turn, the player will take one of the tiles of the particles out of the matrix, like this, and he will move the particle back to the hole that we have made here. Once we have filled the gap, the particle will take 3 collisions. In this case, will collide with every particle already there, and will put a charge, a cube from the player. Then these charges are going to go to one particle or another, depending on the colors of the particles. If the particles have the same colors, like this, the charge is repelled, like in a magnet. So same color, repelled. If they are of different colors, the particle is attracted. The charge is attracted by the particle. Okay. So once you have put the charge in the particles, it's the turn of the other players, who can take any other particle, like this one, take it out and back to there. Okay. So he will put again charge in all the collisions he has provoked. If the particles are of different colors, remember the charge is attracted. If are from the same color, it's repelled. And this is a special particle. It's a strange matter that always repels the cube and never takes it from himself. Okay, after a player have put his charge in the particles, the other player will check if any of the particles here have a majority of his colors. So this particle never has majorities. This is from the active players, but this one has a majority of charge from the yellow player. So the yellow player will reinforce his majority here. Okay. Now it will be the turn of the yellow player, who will move another charge here. For example, will put 3 charges here, and if all are from different color, he will attract all the charges. Okay, the game goes until one of the players have read out of all of his cubes, or the board is locked. As you see, particles have also a number in the tile that represents the maximum number of charges that the particle can have. So, for example, if I could move this here, I will put 2 charges here. As they are from different colors, charge will be there, and this particle, remember, always repels the charge, so it will be there. Once the particle reaches the limit, this is 4, the tile is thrown down, and this particle has become passive, so he will not move anymore, and he will not interact with other particles. So I can't move this row or this row, and also if I could move a particle here, we are not going to put a charge here, as there will be no collision. In this case, this will be here and this will be here. Okay. So the game ends is one player gets out of cubes, or if by any means the board is fully blocked and you can make any more. This will make also an end of the game. Once the game is end, each player will try to check how many particles he controls. So in this game, yellow player will have 1, 2, and 3 particles, and blue player will have 1 and 2 here, and this was a tie, so it's 3 versus 2. The yellow player wins.